Location determines consciousness. Research institutes in Siberia are traditionally buried in verdure. Guests see this as a contrast to long winter and snow, and for locals it means eco-friendly life, purity of thought. It's not surprising that the main scientific library of the region, State Public Scientific Technological Library of the Siberian branch of the Russian Academy of Sciences, has been supporting scientific research in environmental protection since 1987. We create not only thematic databases on environmental preservation, but also analytical reviews of world literature. Analytical reviews, as an information genre, allow synthesizing data from a huge number of articles, monographs, conference reports in one document. To date, over 100 analytical reviews have been prepared. The series focuses on the following areas: toxic substances, anthropogenic impact of various industrial production on the environment and human beings, socio-economic aspects of environmental protection, environmental legislation, medical and biological aspects of environmental and human protection. The issues of environmental safety, eco-compatibility of machinery and nature, prevention of anthropogenic pollution and waste-free technologies remain at the center of the thematic plans of the reviews. The current situation makes it necessary to expand the priorities of the survey information. We are trying to promote environmental awareness and improve environmental literacy, serve as a channel for the dissemination of environmental information that is inaccessible to a wide range of readers, and contribute to the dissemination of scientific and technical achievements of the Siberian branch of the Russian Academy of Sciences in environmental protection. This is how the basic principles of work on the series were formed. Main orientation in the choice of topics on regional environmental problems, but also relevant to the whole country. Analysis of problems based on the world literature. Involvement as authors of specialists, scientists and practitioners of the Siberian branch of the Russian Academy of Sciences directly working on this problem. Scientific editing and reviews criticizing. Scientific and popular scientific style of presentation for publications distribution to a wide range of readers. And publications distribution across the country by subscription and abroad through book exchange. Today, the publication is contributed into two environments: traditional and electronic, delivery of publications to interested users, both by regular mail and electronic access to electronic versions via the Internet. Reviews are prepared by leading scientists and specialists of the Russian Academy of Sciences, Siberian branch of the Russian Academy of Sciences, sectoral research institutes, and industrial enterprises. As a rule, the authors work directly on the relevant environmental issue, which is reflected in the content of the reviews, and supplement the literature data with information on the results obtained in the course of their own research. These data may be unique, as they are related to regional environmental problems that haven't been previously covered in the literature or are based on the practice of enterprises in the region. Analytical reviews of the environmental series, based on the fundamental research results, at the same time have a practical focus. In addition to general introduction to the problem, analysis of the particular issue state in our country and abroad, each review contains practical recommendations, forecasts, and author's assessment. The information provided in these reviews can be used to conduct environmental impact assessments of various economic projects, technologies, to create environmental passports of enterprises. In the future, this type of review may become a separate direction in the system of information support for research and development on environmental programs. As time shows, there is a constant interest and demand for the series publications throughout the country. It has become a national environmental publication. It is recognized and the readers are waiting for the next issues. The geography of access to electronic full text is very wide. These are almost all scientific and regional centers of Russia, large cities and small settlements. All this allows to mainly preserve the main objectives and purpose of the series, which were initially set. They are information support of ecological and environmental studies conducted in the Siberian branch of the Russian Academy of Sciences, presentation in publications within series analyzing the world literature on topical environmental and ecological problems, and ways to solve them, proposed in the development of specialists of the Siberian branch of the Russian Academy of Sciences.